Aloha, it's me Dashama, and just making this video for you from my bedroom. And I thought I would give you a little morning routine that you can do when you first wake up to feel amazing, especially maybe on the weekend, or if you're traveling, you can do this in your hotel room. You know, over the years I've been posting different types of videos, and one of the things that I think is so powerful is the stories that I hear from people who do my videos. Like maybe the bed yoga is one of the most interesting ones to me, because people tell me that maybe they had like insomnia, they couldn't sleep, and as a result of practicing this they felt amazing and were able to finally sleep and overcome insomnia. So that's just one little example, but it's very motivating for me to try to make more videos like this to help you with your health and your life. So all you need is, you don't even need clothes, honestly. I'm just wearing clothes because it's a video, but you could do this even without clothes. Just sitting up nice and straight on your bed, and don't worry like if your hips are tight, maybe you're going to be like this. If so, you might just put a cushion under your hips, and like the higher your hips are, then the more that your knees can lay flat. So that's one of the things that I really suggest, is get a nice cushion so that you can get your spine really nice and straight, and sitting up just like this. And we'll start with some spinal undulations. This will just get your spine warmed up. So as you inhale, place your hands on your knees. Inhale, lift your chest, lay your head back and look up. And as you exhale, round your spine, chin into the chest. So it's like an undulation of the spine. Exhale, round forward. Inhale, arch back. Exhale, round forward. Inhale, arch back. Just like this. So if you want to see how it looks from the side, it's basically like this. So it's inhale up, exhale, round in. So it's a spinal undulation. You can see all the muscles here stretching, and you'll feel like an opening through the heart center, and you'll also feel some release in your back. You might feel it in your hips. Depends on where you're tight. So I love to do that one first thing in the morning. Another one that you can do is, depending on how open your spine feels, just taking one hand to the opposite knee and the other hand behind you. Take a deep breath in, lift your heart, lengthen, inhale deeply, and exhale, twist, and look over your right shoulder. Inhale, lengthen, and exhale, twist. Inhale, exhale. And back to the center. Inhale the right hand to the left knee. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist. Inhale. Exhale. One more. Exhale. And back to the center. Good. And roll the shoulders back. Just like this. Now dropping one ear to one shoulder, you can take the opposite hand under your hip and just lower your ear to the shoulder and stretch one side of the neck. This is a really beautiful neck stretch, so beautiful in the morning. Sometimes your neck gets really tight from sleeping, like if you don't have a comfortable pillow. So coming back to the center and switch sides. So the other hand under the hip, right ear to the shoulder, and stretch the other side of the neck and just breathe into it. As you're sitting on your hand, you can lean the other direction. You'll feel a deeper stretch in the neck. Deep cleansing breath. And back to the center. So these are just a few simple things that you can do first thing in the morning. Another thing that sometimes feels like tight and stuff is these muscles right here. And this is something that you can do to open your heart. Like if you feel like sadness or any kind of emotions, if you give yourself a chest massage, it's really powerful. So you can take your thumb and just go like under these muscles here. This is called your pectoralis muscles. And then the fingers are like a crab claw, and you just massage your own chest. Men and women can do this. It's really, really healthy for you. Gets the blood flowing, all the lymphatic. So you just massage like this all around the heart area. And you can also take your finger pads and massage here as well. So this is just really opening for the heart. Breathe into the heart while you do it. Super beautiful practice to start your day with love. And then you can do some tapping just to clear any blocked energy. And the other thing that I like to do is a few deep breaths. So we call this lung expansion breath. You just take a nice deep breath into your heart. Hold the breath. You can do the tapping. And then release. Do this a few times. I do this in the bath a lot too. So you just inhale into your heart. You try to expand your heart as much as possible. And then hold the breath. And then you're holding in this expansion. And then release. So you can visualize love and harmony in your heart as well. And you could also do the prayer of forgiveness with this Ho'oponopono, which is, I love you, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you. So if you have any relations or people that you need to clear energy with, or even with yourself, this is a wonderful practice to do, opening the heart first thing in the morning. The other thing I really love to do, I learned in the Ayurveda Center, you just press your palms together like this and make a nice little fire with the hands. So rub them together, make a big fire, and then just take your hands apart and kind of see if you can feel the energy between the hands. So just bring them close together, just like this. You'll start to feel like a buzzing, like a vibrating energy. And then you just wash your energy field clean. Wash your energy field clean. Just clear any energy from the night, from the dreams that you had, from your thoughts, and let it go. So do this 3 times. So rub your hands together, creating a nice fire here. And then a little bit of, it's kind of like a invisible Play-Doh. You know, you feel the energy. And then wash yourself clean with this beautiful, beautiful, pure light and loving energy. And we'll do one more time. Rub your hands together. And same thing, make a nice little Play-Doh ball in your hands. And then wash your energy clean. All good for the day. So you're starting your day out clean and clear and open, heart open, energy field clear, and setting the tone for an amazing, beautiful day. So this is just a really quick practice you can do first thing in the morning. The other thing I like to do is just say a prayer and set the intention for the day. So you can close your eyes, take the prayer to the heart center. You know, they say that if you have your hands in a prayer, it's impossible to feel anger. So I find that so beautiful. So hands in a prayer, and just bow your head and think in your mind and just say a prayer of love and gratitude. Just thank God for this beautiful day and blessing this day and all the productivity, all the connections, all the love and joy and creativity, and whatever it is that you're aiming to do, you can start to just visualize the fruition of your goals and your dreams, what you're working on. Or even if today is just about being and with yourself and clearing space in your schedule so that you can clear space in your mind and get clear inside what it is you are setting yourself up to experience in this beautiful day, and even for this beautiful week and for your beautiful life. So really setting that intention and getting clear about that in the morning time, that can set the intention and create an amazing, beautiful day. So hopefully this helps, makes you feel amazing. Leave a comment, let me know if you'd like me to make more videos like this, or what kind of videos that you like. If you have any video requests, let me know. And also wanted to let you know about an amazing thing that I created as a gift for you, and it is called Self-Love and Yoga, and it's a free mini course. And you can go to my website, click the link below, register today, it's free, and it gives you a little sample of all of the different practices that I teach and that I am offering to help you to get to a place of amazing energy, self-love, feeling good, and manifesting your best life at all times. So this is really the goal of life. and I created an amazing program for you. So check it out, go click the link, get your self-love in yoga, and feel free to share with your friends. Click like, let me know if you like this video, and I'll make more in the future. Have a beautiful, blessed, amazing day, and I'll see you again next time. Namaste.